Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. Our problem involves creating a plot that showcases some data points related to apples and grapes. The initial plot provided is a bit cluttered, and we aim to achieve a cleaner and more visually appealing plot. Let's dive into the solution to see how we can accomplish this task. In the solution provided, we make use of the Seaborn.pointplot function to generate the desired plot. By setting up a pandas data frame with the relevant data points for apples and grapes in different categories, we can then use sns.pointplot to create a clear and concise representation of the data. The resulting plot showcases the values for each fruit in their respective categories, making it easier to interpret the information at a glance. Continuing with the solution, we further refine our data structure by transforming a wide input format into a more suitable format for plotting. This step involves reshaping the data frame to have a fruit column along with category and value columns. By restructuring the data in this way, we ensure that our plot accurately reflects the relationship between fruits and their corresponding values in different categories. To wrap things up, we've successfully addressed the initial problem by utilizing Seaborn's pointplot function and optimizing our data format for better visualization. The resulting plot provides a clear and concise representation of the data, making it easier to draw insights from the information presented. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the video. See you next time for more exciting problem-solving adventures.